I welcome you all to the lecture series of Advanced 3G and 4G Wireless and Mobile Communication. The course code for it is 8CE843. The topic that we are going to discuss today is MIMO Agent Mode Transmission System, that is also called as MIMO EMTS. As we have already discussed this model, that is the model for interacting objects between transmitter and receiver. Suppose we are taking N as a transmitter and M as a receiver, and we develop a model for a really flat fading channel. So as we have already discussed, the model corresponding to the transmission is y is equal to hs plus n. Now, the question for discussion is the capacity for a non-fading channel. The capacity for a single antenna, if we take additive white Gaussian noise channel, is represented by C Shannon, which is equal to log to the base 2 1 plus gamma h square, where h is a metric that is used to identify interacting objects. Now gamma is SNR at Rx and h is the normalized transfer function for transmitter and receiver. It clearly shows that if SNR is increased, the capacity is increased, so boosting or transmitting power is an effective mechanism. Here we are talking about a single antenna system. Now we are just moving towards the MIMO system. So when we take a MIMO system into account, we talk about the transfer matrix, which is composition of transmitting and receiving antennas. As it is clear in this figure, the MIMO system is a composition of transmitting and receiving antennas. There is a path between antenna number 1 and antenna number 1 of the transmitter to the antenna number 1 of the receiver, antenna number 1 of the transmitter to antenna number 2 of the receiver, antenna number 1 of the transmitter to antenna number 3, likewise. So when we take such type of a MIMO system into account, we need to develop a new mechanism. We take into consideration the singular value decomposition matrix. It is a mathematical tool that is used for a MIMO system, that is singular value decomposition system of a matrix A is basically composition of three matrices, that is W, sigma and U raised to power H, where U raised to power H and W are orthonormal matrix and sigma is a diagonal with positive real values. So the multiplication of the transmit data with a vector by a matrix U and received data by W raised to power H will give the values, that is R is equal to sigma raised to S plus N. So U and W are the unitary matrix and N is same as a statistical property of N. So it is having the same capacity as that R is equal to HS plus N. Therefore we can conclude that the capacity of a MIMO channel is basically the summation of all the individual values, which is taken by this equation. Similarly, on calculation, the capacity comes out to be like this, with that is C is equal to log to the base 2 determinant of I and R, gamma, mean of a gamma, that is NT, H R is H raised to power T, where I and R is identity matrix, gamma bar is basically the mean of SNR, and R is the correlation matrix of a transmitted data. So here in this case we have used a very important mathematical function that is called as a singular value decomposition system. SVD tells us that a matrix A with the arbitrary dimension M cross N, we take an orthogonal matrix that is U and V and the diagonal matrix that is sigma, such that sigma is equal to sigma R00 that you can see from this equation, and sigma R it is equal to this thing. Now sigma 1 should be greater than or equal to sigma 2 likewise. So when we use this model, the U and H are the normalized singular functions satisfying the principle that U is power H, U is the identity matrix. Similarly, V is power H, V is the identity matrix, and U and V are orthogonal. So when we apply this special mathematical function, that is singular value decomposition, on a MIMO channel, we take this diagram into account. That is, we apply a modulated symbol stream to a system from which we get the value of X. From the value of X we apply to a MIMO system, we get a value of Y, and then we convert the value into Y bar.